I hope this hat is grabbing your attention like it grabbed mine. Today I'm going to be making a chicken and lemon pasta. Very simple, very easy. If you'd like to see how I achieve today's recipe, then just keep on watching. And don't forget to like and follow for more recipes. Okay, I have a confession to make. I did put on my Sunday's best to do this quick and easy recipe for you guys to get your attention because, hey, in spring, anything goes, especially with the hats. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little quick video. Don't forget to like and follow.